What's the meaning of bloomers? Bloomers. Bloomers.
Bloomers. Bloomers. Bloomers are loose-fitting undergarments that were popular for women during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. They were first introduced in the 1850s as a reform garment worn by women who were advocating for dress reform and greater freedom of movement. Bloomers typically consisted of wide, billowing pants gathered at the ankle, and were worn under a knee-length skirt. The style was controversial at the time, with some people criticizing bloomers as an affront to traditional femininity. Nevertheless, the garment continued to be worn by progressive women throughout the late Victorian and Edwardian periods, and became an icon of women's liberation movements. Today, the term bloomers is sometimes used colloquially to refer to any loose or baggy undergarment.